Excuse me. Hi, do you speak English? Yes, my name is Samuel. I'm a photographer. I take photos of people for free.
Yeah.
And I was just wanting to ask you if I can take a photo for you for free.
Yeah.
Can I show you my Instagram? What's your name?
Hoden.
Hoden? Where are you from?
I'm from Somalia.
Ah, okay. I'm from the United States, so
Okay.
I'm not from here either. So my name is Samuel. I'm a photographer.
Yeah.
So what I do is I just go around taking photos of people,
Okay.
and then I send it to them on Instagram.
Okay.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome. Actually, that's a beautiful bag. No, you can leave it on.
I'm a camera shy.
Whenever you're ready. Beautiful. can you have the bag like this? Yes. And I'm just gonna take photos of you walking.
Okay.
Now, you don't have to look at me. You can just look straight. Yeah.
Okay.
And when you walk, you can, do this a little bit,
Okay.
Do your little walk. You do your thing. 3, 2, 1, go.
Ouais, oh là là, il prend trop bien, c'est trop beau.
Wow, beautiful.
Yes.
Very good.
Yes.
I like it.
I like it.
I like this one.